Hello, myself, Dr. Sahil Agarwal. I got a rank 106 in this May AIMS 2015. I'm basically from Nagaland. I did my MBBS from Karnataka Institute of Medical Sciences, Hubli. So I had joined a regular DAMS course for a duration of some 6 to 7 months. I guess that's the best thing I did after my I didn't prepare with my MBBS time, but after it to gear up for something, that was the best thing I did. I guess the notes. I mean, it covers everything. There's no other exam like left out when you do it from DAMS. The faculties, especially Sumay sir. I mean, I don't think there's a better teacher than Sumay sir in any. I mean, there's a better person than Sumay sir in any aspect. Actually, I mean, the way he teaches radiology, the way he speaks to you. I mean, he's so down to earth. And then, ma'am, come on, like OBG, I never liked it, but then the way ma'am taught us, hats off to you, ma'am. And other teachers like the medicine sir, surgery sir, pharma sir, anatomy sir, micro sir, they are too good. Uh, for me, preparation as it's concerned, like it took time for me, I guess, because I was not very hardworking in college. Maybe that's what it was. But I feel it takes hardly 6 to 7 months of thorough preparation to get a very good rank. Like the group we had, like everyone got a very good rank in the very year itself. Like one year back, like so it's more than enough, I guess. The main thing is you have to be very hardworking during that period, and you have to thoroughly do things. You like there's no easy way out, right? So you have to do all the notes that's there. Then you have to come back, like when you are doing the notes, the main thing is the notes should be followed by MCQs from any book, like whatever book you want. But yeah, definitely it should be followed with MCQs back to back. That's how you remember it. That's what I didn't do in the very first year, but yeah, it taught me that I had to be better than this. uh, then with dams you have this extra edge of this online things, like especially the club. I mean, I don't think there's a bigger platform than that in the entire India. Seriously, you just have a query, you just go online, you just post it out, and the faculties answer for you immediately. I mean, if not within 4 or 5 hours. I mean, there's no other place better than that. But definitely, you don't have to get addicted to that. I mean, I have seen people staying online like just before an exam the other day, like they are online for the last 24 hours. I mean, that's definitely not good for your health as well as for your exam. Uh, then the tests at dams, uh, they are good. I mean, you are giving an exam where you are ranked among the top, like you are ranked among 10,000 people across India. So if you get a very good rank there, like initially I never got very good rank. It was somewhere around thousands. I improved, but then yeah, for the last 5 6 months, yeah, I started getting within 100, on and off, mostly regularly. Uh, then for all India, especially dams, I don't think anyone else does this. The DVT thing, somewhere in the month of September, some 3 days of back-to-back classes. The best part is even if you are well versed with the images and all, that's the best revision package, I guess. And 3 days you just get to know almost all subjects are covered. I mean, there's a rapid revision thing, so you can't miss that, especially. Uh, then what I felt for the last preparation time, like you have to be hardworking, I feel, right? Then you have to be smarter, like as Sumesh sir says, uh, hardworking to har koi hota, like you have to be more smarter, like the preparation in the preparation way you are doing it. So I feel you have to, for aims particularly, like if you go for the exam, you just can't do it. Like my friend Rohan, like he in the very first May, he gave he just marked somewhere around 160 questions, I guess. I just asked him, so he, like that was very less. Maybe he had scored good number of right answers amongst them, but that's a very less number. So you need to have a 190 plus questions to be marked there. Then you have to do, I feel, the previous papers, at least if not everything, the last 5 years papers. See, you don't need to read the theory inside that, because in the notes here it damn covers everything. Take for that. I mean, take my words for that. You know, every exam, everywhere. I mean, like, if you want to have a very good rank, it's there in the notes. Yeah, definitely you have to do some hard work. Yeah, यहाँ वहाँ तो कुछ कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा. But yeah, it's a bunch. Then uh, I'll say, like, particularly if you are not done very much hard work, or you have not been through the MCQ books in college time, like it was for me and my friends. So you have to do the regular course. But if you are like good, especially like one of my friend was very good, like he had been doing the MCQs long back from the college. Then TND is like, both the packages are definitely the best. I mean, there is no other institute which gives such a big, like in such a small time frame, such good notes, such good faculties. I mean, you feel at home here, you know. And definitely, I would like to thank dams for everything, for being like at the worst times as well, when today I have a good time with me. I also like to thank my father, my mother, for all the support they have been giving me. I'd like to thank a special person, Dr. Anish Agarwal. He has been my mentor for the last this period, and Dr. Saloni Gupta as well. And I would just like to say, to persevere is very important. I mean, you have to have this perseverance thing. Don't give up. Don't give down. There's always an answer to everything. Thank you.